Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you are a React Native developer, you know that working with the command line is a crucial part of the development process. Whether you are setting up your project or building the APKs debugging issue or preparing for the app deployment, knowing the right command can save you tons of time. In this video, I will cover through the most essential React Native command for both Android and iOS, from running your app on simulator or generating the releasing the build to App Store or the Play Store. So whether you are a beginner or you are starting your as an experienced developer looking for these kind of videos, this video is for you. So let's start with the practical first. So this is my project. I already run the project. You can see this is an Android and iOS both device. In React Native, we have two popular package manager. One is npm and second one is yarn. So the functionality and working purpose both are same, but there is some key feature why we are using yarn, why we are using npm. So this is the image. You can see this. And now, first we are going to cover the common command for the iOS and Android both. So let's go. So these are my common commands for the Android and iOS both. So first we have npm or yarn install. So npm and yarn will do to install your all the dependency and your app. If you are a yarn install, so you will install all the dependency and your app. If you are installed the npmi, so it will install all the dependency in your project, but I'm using the yarn. So then we have a command with the name of the npx start cache reset. So this command will be reset your all cache of your macro. Just copy this command and come to your project, and if you are enter it, so this command will be reset your all cache, and so then it will run your app again. Also, I already closed my metro, so for that reason it will take some time. So you can see, so I just close again also the metro. Now we have the npx react native link command. So sometimes we are using some library, so that library need to link. So for that we are using the npm link command. So also we have sometimes we don't want to use that library, you can also use the npm unlink and then type your then you type your library name like this, like a navigation or image picker. You have some library, so just type your library name and then press. You can unlink also that library from your project. The project clean command, so this command will be clean your project, like it will be delete your node modules and package log json on yarn file. So for that we are using the project clean command. For that reason we are using the project clean command. And we have a npx doctor command. So this command will be find the issue in your environment, like what kind of issue you have in your environment. And so npx doctor command will be find the issue in your environments, like what you don't have, like now it's showing like a version not found, like a 35 version is supporting this app, but I don't have that version also. So then we have a npx upgrade command. If you want to upgrade your project, so for that we are using the upgrade command. So the last one in the common we have npm remove the node module command. So like this, if you come here and just, so you just type this command. So this command will be remove your node module, and then you can also install the dependency in this. So now we are going to the Android command. So I just covered the common command. Now we are going to the Android command. In Android command, first we have the npx react native start. So this will be start your metro like this. If I type here, you can see the metro will be start. If I reload it, you can see my metro is start. That's npm start. It's also doing the same thing like a npx react native start. And also you can do with the yarn also, this command yarn star start. So it will start your metro. So let's see the other command. So this command will be run your project in Android. So then we have a assemble debug command. So this command will be generate the debugging APK for you. And after that we have a assemble release command. So this command will be build the release APK. you can share with your tester or anything you can share. And the other one we have the bundle release command, the bundle release command or AAB command. So this command will be for you if you want to publish your app in the Play Store, the Google Play Store. For that we are using the bundle release command. If you have an issue in the Gradle, so you can use the Gradle clean command. So this is the Gradle clean command cd Android. So this command will be clean your cache. And so after that we have a npx react native log Android. So this command will be show the log running in your Android app only. So if you want to create the SHA key, for that we are using this command. So just go to your app and just paste this command. You can generate the SHA key. So now I'm going to show you the iOS command. And iOS command I have similar the npx react native start, or you can say yarn start. Or if you want to run in iOS, you can also do the react native run in iOS. This is command for the running in iOS. So this command will install the CocoaPod dependency and your project of the library. You have installed some library, so this command will be help you to install all the dependency of your project. So if you need to update your pod, you can also go with the port updates. And so these are the command in React Native. So hope you like this video. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.